Does the rule of 80 apply to you, or does the rule of 90 apply to you? If you are a teacher in Texas, you are either working towards the rule of 80 or you are working towards the rule of 90. That is what I was told like my third year teaching. And guys, let me just tell you, there is so much confusion right here, the rule of 80 versus the rule of 90, as to what it is, when it applies to us, and which one applies to us. Let me just clear the air. Number one, I'm Vienna, the TRS teacher. If you are a teacher, go ahead and follow me, DM me, and let me help you understand your teacher retirement accounts. Now that's out of the way, let's talk about the rule of 80 versus the rule of 90. What does it mean? When do they apply to us? And which one am I, right? If you're in Texas, you are the rule of 80. All of us. I don't care if you started teaching this year and this is your first year teaching. Welcome, by the way, congrats. Or if you are 30 years, 35 years into the profession, congratulations, you're close to retirement. But all of us are working towards the rule of 80. And what that means is that when our years of service and our age hit the number 80, we are fully vested, fully ready, and eligible for our full TRS benefits. You are able to retire. Do you need to retire as soon as you hit the rule of 80? No, you do not. That is where the rule of 90 comes in. Once you hit the rule of 80, if you decide, you know what, I'm not retiring yet, you keep working, you keep adding to your TRS, you're an active member still, and you could potentially hit the rule of 90. Now, rule of 80, you're good, you're set, you're golden. If you hit the rule of 90, when you decide to retire, what this means is that you will have an option, and this is a special option because you got the rule of 90. Calculation is the same, years of service and your age equal 90. You would qualify to get a upfront lump sum payment of either 1, 2, or 3 years of payment from your TRS account. Now again, this is optional. If you get there, if you do this, it will affect your monthly payments from TRS going forward. So if you maybe would have qualified for like $3,000 a month from TRS, but you decided to do that, maybe you would get like $2,500. Now, those are examples. The numbers are different for everybody, but that is what that means. So are you rule of 80 or are you rule of 90? You are rule of 80. If you happen to get to 80 and you keep working and then you happen to get to the rule of 90, you have that option. But that is all that means. Do most of us get to the rule of 90? No, we don't. It's just some people decide to retire, some people don't. Very few people that I know have actually hit it, but it's an option. I guess it's a goal. It's something you could possibly do. So guys, if you want to know if you've hit the rule of 80 or how long until you hit the rule of 80, or possibly maybe are you wondering, have I hit the rule of 90? If you want to know, follow me, DM me, go ahead and set up a free TRS review with me. This is what I do. I help teachers understand their TRS accounts. So if you're interested, go ahead and set up that account. Follow me, DM me, drop the word interested in the comments.